This is the worst lighting ever, but I'm gonna show y'all how to flip furniture for like $0 because I'm broke. That's the whole point. We're flipping them because we need money. I picked up a couch, a chair, and a stool, and I'm gonna show you them. My mom actually fixed the leg on that chair because when we got it, it was broken. And we found both of these items on the side of the road just in the neighborhood, like someone was throwing it away. What she did is she mixed like wood shavings and glue together. She mixed that so it made like a wood filler. She actually did that and I didn't get it documented. And then we just put the leg back in because when it broke, it just broke the leg off and the actual piece that screws in was still in there. So after fixing that, I don't know, it just everything was good. And I was just mixing some water and Dawn, and there was actually a little bit of baking soda from what I was doing for the stool, which I'll show you. It's just a mixture to make sure that all the rust gets off. The rust I forgot to take off in an hour, so it's been sitting there for probably like 24 hours. So you can see where
it has been sitting there for 24 hours.
Well, it's probably maybe been more.
It's
but you
probably a rock. Go ahead, pick at it, show them.
You do it with a stick or something.
Look at that shit. We got damn snow.
So we're gonna try to put lemon juice on it, but it picked up some of the rust. And then this is the couch. I can't even tell if it looks better than yesterday. I think that looks better. I don't know. If not, then I'm gonna be really upset. And I also found this, so I don't know what to do about that. I don't know how to get rid of mold. I'm gonna Google it. This is for science. Lemon or lime? I guess lemon.
Lemon, I guess, since you're doing it. Oh.
Okay, so we got some foaming action.
There's like nothing in there. Why does it feel full? Oh, something's happening here.
Let's try the lemon. I mean the lime.
Oh, that's much better.
Oh yeah, and that bubbles right up. So lime it is. How much of the rest did come off though? A lot of it came off, but that's so tedious. So we're just gonna get, what'd you call it, Rust-Oleum? But we're gonna spray it off first, and then we're gonna take the top of it off, and then we're gonna see what that is like. I'll make it loose. It's too tight.
Mm-hmm.
And it's too rusty.
Yeah.
Okay. So this fucker won't give up at all. So I got 2 of them out, but those 2 are not coming out. So we're just gonna take those and cut all of this off and see what happens from there. Are they cutting that well? Should I get a different one thing?
Yeah, not cutting it all.
Every single blade in this house is weak. Okay, so basically he just ripped it up. Like the cloth didn't even come off of it. Last night, I sprayed this down with the Rust-Oleum. Obviously, you can still see where the rust is, but it sprayed it and covered it very well. So I spray painted this. It's still a little bit wet. That's why it looks splashy. But I spray painted it black. And then I did the second layer on here. Much better. And so then after both of them dry, I guess it's just connecting them back together. Alrighty, so that's what it looks like. I haven't actually screwed it in yet, but oh my god. Can we just get a quick before and after? Like, come on. So funny story. Yard sale is tomorrow. I have yet to finish the chair. We're gonna do that really fast today, put up the signs, blah 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 blah, because tomorrow's the yard sale and I need to get something done. And then we're gonna bring everything that's for the yard sale over to my grandma's house, and she's gonna be angry. And yeah, this is what I'm working with. We started to put just chalk paint on it, but now I've got some like water and paint mix, and I'm gonna just cover the whole thing, so we may not even end up selling this. Okay, so this is after so far. It's still really splotchy, but I don't know. Maybe I'll still set it up for like $3. I don't know. And this is the other one I had. So first I've got to get, there was a pillow like screwed in, so I got to get that off. And then I'm just gonna spray paint it black. So mom suggested maybe making it white And then using this white paint for the legs. The same one for that, but I need to finish that and then see if I have enough left. Okay, so I didn't have enough white paint left for those legs, but I ended up using this peachy color that we use no, for the bathroom project, if you haven't seen that video. So I did that on the legs and then I sanded down the top of it and that's what it looked like and it was gorgeous. So that actually sold at the yard sale. And at the yard sale, we ended up making about $70. The white chair did not sell. The diner chair didn't sell either, but I think that's just because, like, if you don't have at least 2 of those, you're not really gonna just buy one. Like, the statement piece, that's pretty big. I don't know. Nobody has anything that goes with that, matches that, you know what I mean? But I'll probably post it on OfferUp. But anyways, yeah, that's how you do it. It's pretty fucking easy.